Hi everyone, welcome back to another SunFish tutorial video. In this session, we're going to walk you through how to submit a claim using SunFish Mobile. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Once you're logged in, you can find the claim feature either on your Favorites tab, if you've set it up before, or just tap on the Menu tab at the bottom and scroll down until you see Claim Form. Inside the Claim Form page, you'll see all of your claims, whether they're fully approved, canceled, still in draft, or waiting for verification. Want to check your reimbursement balance? Just tap the button on the top right, then select My Reimbursement Balance. You can also view the doctor and hospital list provided by your company, and if you need to look up a specific claim you've made before, simply use the search feature. To create a new claim, tap the blue plus button on the bottom right and choose between a single claim or an Add Claim group. For example, if you have several similar claims like tolls, transport, or parking tickets, you can group them together. But if it's just one claim, go with Single Claim. On the Claim Request page, make sure to fill out the required details, such as Request For. If you're a supervisor or manager, you can submit for your team. Select the right claim type. This depends on your company's setup. Choose Reimbursement For, yourself or a registered family member. Add the receipt date, valid amount, remarks if needed, and don't forget to attach supporting documents like receipts or invoices. If everything looks good, hit Submit to process it right away, or save it as draft if you want to submit later. You can also check who will be approving your claim by tapping See Details. Super easy, right? With this feature, all your claims are neatly organized and safely recorded. No more worrying about losing paperwork.